Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with Coco Shangzhen. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Do you want to fire your boss? Yes. You can fire your boss and make yourself your own boss. Promoting or selling other people's stuff on the net can make you earn a comfortable living that will give you confidence to quit from your job. You can do that by joining affiliate programs. What is an affiliate program? Affiliate program refers also to associate program, referral program or bounty program. It is the most famous and the best sales and marketing strategy ever used by most of the companies or sellers on the web, from small to large-scale companies. This allows other people or companies to promote or sell their products or stuff for a commission or other consideration. That other people or companies are called affiliates, and the owners of the products or services and of the affiliate program are called sponsors. Many affiliates are earning considerable amount of commissions, up to more than $10 a month and even hundreds of $1,000 through this affiliate scheme, depending on your creativity and working habits. Because of this, most of them stopped working as an employee and focus on affiliate marketing at their own time, own pace, own strategy, and most importantly, at home with their families without seeing a face of the annoying boss. How will you earn and receive commission? As an affiliate, you do not need to maintain stocks or inventory of products or services of your own or of your sponsors. You will be only required to promote their stuff by putting your sponsors' banners or text links on your site pages, or by posting ads on other sites, or by sending emails to your relatives, friends and acquaintances. Your sponsors will give you an affiliate or tracking code or link. When an interested visitors click the banners or text links with your affiliate code or link from your site or promotion page, they will be directed to your sponsor's website. The affiliate code or link will be the reference of your sponsor to identify that those visitors came through your referral or from your promotional page. Once those visitors completed transactions that are subject to commissions, your sponsor will credit your account for the equivalent commissions from those transactions. Your commissions will be accumulated and be sent to you by check, wire transfer, direct deposit and by other means based on your affiliate agreement. There are different ways to earn a commission from affiliate program. You may earn on the basis of pay-per-click, pay-per-lead, pay-per-sale, or through referring another affiliate. In pay-per-click, the affiliate earns commission when a visitor clicks the sponsor's link. In pay-per-lead, the affiliate earns commission when a visitor clicked the sponsor's links and completed a transaction without buying a product, like completing an inquiry form or survey or quotation form. While on a pay-per-sale, you will earn a flat rate or a percentage of sales prices. Some of the programs are offering up to 80% commission. How can you join an affiliate? Generally, affiliate programs require the applicants to have a working website where you can promote their products. However, some of them will allow you to promote or sell their products through posting ads with ad sites or by emailing people, but absolutely no spamming or you will be kicked out. For this purpose, we have compiled a reliable affiliate or associate programs on web with site description and commission details. Reliable? Yes, because there are websites that are being managed by crocodiles or opportunists who are offering an affiliate programs but will not report all your earned commissions, or worst, they will not pay you. So, beware of them. What are the affiliate programs you should join? To start your journey of firing your boss or quitting your job, you have to start joining affiliate programs, now before others do, and begin earning thousands of dollars. I recommend that you start with Google AdSense. This is the simplest and most popular affiliate program on the web. This is a pay-per-click affiliate program, and the Google ads are related to the content of your site. You may also place Google Web and Site Search button and earn money when your visitor uses it. I advise you to put Google AdSense link prominently in all of your web pages to start earning cash from Google. After joining Google AdSense, start joining the following affiliate programs. Coco Shangzhen provides several affiliate programs. Please check Coco Shangzhen.net for more details. Two-tier affiliate programs. These are programs that allow you to recruit an army of sub-affiliates and receive a commission from their revenues. Lifetime commission affiliate programs. These programs give commissions for life for revenues from the same customer or sub-affiliate. This kind of commission is also known as residual income. Affiliate networks. These programs have a wide variety of choices of products or services to sell or promote. Each affiliate network offers several affiliate programs from several companies, including those world's famous brands and products. It monitors all your earned commissions from various programs and pays you in only one check on a scheduled payment date. That's very convenient. Check our site. High commission affiliate programs. These are the programs that are giving commissions up to more than 80% of the sales. Why waste your time promoting products that will pay you a penny only? With hard work, patience and continuous learning, I am confident that you will be one of famous affiliate or internet marketers in the near future. You will be working at home with your family at your own time, at your own pace and with your own strategies. That will be the time that you've fired your boss and made yourself your own boss. We hope we will achieve our objectives. All the best to you. Learn more at uni24by7.com. Kokoschangsen pays you to have fun. Kokoschangsen. Net.